When I started vlogging, the biggest problem with me was how to record myself in public, how to be confident, and how to just go through everything which is coming in front of me. So, today we're going to be talking about that. Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm Yasir. You're with MotoZoomer. I hope you guys are awesome as always. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. I have divided this topic into three parts. First one is how to start the basics. Second one is how to face the cameras. And the third section is the advanced section where I'll discuss about the lighting, location choice, and also the time of recording and the way of recording, where you want to record, what you want to record. We're gonna discuss the technicalities in the third video. Today is the first part, how to start. If you have already started vlogging, then you'll be having the basic things, but if you haven't, then there are links in the description. Check it out, you'll understand what I'm talking about. To start filming yourself, the most initial thing that you're gonna need is definitely a camera, a microphone, and a tripod. These are the three basic things that you need. As most of the people, those who are coming to YouTube, doesn't really have a dedicated camera, but everybody has a mobile phone. So we're going to be discussing this topic from the point of view of having a mobile phone, how to record yourself through a mobile device and create content on a daily basis and start vlogging or going out in public areas and recording confidently. So now we're going to discuss about the first thing, which is camera. Camera is definitely the most important and the most crucial part of any vlogger's life. Be it your mobile phone, GoPro, DSLR, or anything, a camera is necessary to record yourself, otherwise you'll not be able to. These days, every single mobile phone has that capability of recording in at least 1080p. That is more than enough of what you need. It's not the camera, it's you. It's your storytelling, it's your storyline that makes that specific story important, that somebody else is going to come to your page and watch it. So any kind of camera, any kind of phone is going to work. Second thing that you're going to need is a tripod or a place where you can actually place your phone and record yourself. The benefit with the mobile phone is that you are actually getting an audio and video recording device in a single package, which is very, very important. You can attach an external microphone to it. That creates a huge difference. We'll talk about that in detail in the last video of this series. Now we are going to talk about the third part. Third part is the audio. Audio is recorded via microphones. So if you're serious about vlogging, then always get an external microphone. These microphones are super cheap these days. Personally, I use JBL lapel mic and a Boya microphone on my camera, which is also linked down in the description below. If you have these three things, you can move to the next step. Now you have to decide the platform that you're going to make this content for. If you're going to make this content for YouTube or Facebook, you're going to shoot horizontally. If you're going to make this for Instagram, you have to shoot vertically. I suppose you're going to be shooting for YouTube. You're going to use the horizontal mount for your camera. You're going to mount horizontally. Place it somewhere in your room, outside, anywhere. We're going to be talking about the light in very detail in the last video. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the notifications. After setting up, after placing the camera, after installing the microphone, there comes the main part, recording yourself. As I'm talking to you guys, you may never know, but I may have recorded this multiple times just to be on the perfect side. This is what you do when you're recording yourself indoors. Do not be afraid of retakes. Do not be afraid of if it takes more time or less. Just make it perfect. If you think that you said something which is not up to the mark, redo it. It really doesn't take that much time, but it makes a big difference in the overall outcome of the video. It also gives you a much better space for editing, where you can snip out some bad portions of your video and you can insert some good parts from the other parts as well. So recording yourself indoors works like this, but this completely changes as you go outside. If you're going to record yourself outside, just like I'm doing right now, you have to deal with many things, such as that car that just went over there. This is scooty, the sound coming from them. That's why you need an external microphone or at least a shotgun microphone to muffle the sound. Second thing, right now it's not there. But the second thing is the most important thing, which is public, janta. So how do you conquer that social anxiety of recording yourself in public like this? If you're recording outside, you'll think that they're gonna think that I'm an idiot talking to a camera. So how do you overcome this? I'll give you a Brahmastra for this. Ignorance is a bliss. This ignorance can only be learned by consistently going out in public and recording yourself like this. How do you do this? This is the weapon that you need. A sunglass, a dark sunglass. It is basic human psychology that if you're not making eye contact with someone, you're not really gonna be bothered by him or them. Avoid making eye contact with other people. Directly look into the camera, talk to the camera, which creates a huge difference in video making. Like this, he's coming right now, but I'm not bothered by him because मैं मट्ठर हो गया हूँ practice कर करके. क्यों भाई साहब? सही बात है. Now the thing what I just did is another trick that I was about to tell you. This trick is called Ghul Mil Jana. Make yourself comfortable with people. Do not look at them as they are staring at you. Include them in your videos and just everything is going to be super fine. So these are the tips and tricks to record yourself in public. It's not really crowded. It's not really crowded right now, but audio, you do need an external microphone. That's a must. Get a shotgun mic. Also, always keep taking detailed shot. Right now I'm seeing this speck right here. I'm gonna take a detailed shot of this thing. Then I'll be having the space to insert this thing wherever I put a cut. Hathi jai bazaar, kutte mauke hazar. This may sound bad, but this is the golden rule. So let's make a little short film right now. If you are having a mobile in your hand, people are not gonna bother that much, but still they're gonna be afraid that you're gonna record them. So always ask for the permission that I'm gonna record you. Is it fine? Or just don't record them. Record yourself and pretend that they are not there. Right now I'm recording this video by my phone. My phone has a feature of portrait video mode, which blurs out the background and isolates me from the background, so that looks really good. I'm also using a JBL lapel mic, as you can see. So we're going to do the audio test and I'll tell you what kind of difference does it make. This is the audio coming from the JBL lapel mic. 1 2 3 testing. And this is the audio coming from the phone. 1 2 3 testing. As you can see, there is a lot of difference in the audio quality and the depth of the audio. That's why I always suggest get a good microphone. These microphones are super cheap, but they create a huge difference in the overall outcome of your video. If the audio is not good, then video is going to be completely useless. So get a good microphone just like this. It's not even expensive. It's around 500 to 600 rupees when I bought it. I don't know the current price, but I'll link it down in the description below. We're going to discuss about a little bit advanced things in the next video, so stay tuned. If you guys want to ask any other question or want me to include anything in the next video, then do comment down. And also like the video, share it with your friends. Stay tuned, stay inside, take care and ride safe. I'll see you in the next vlog.